poem Paper Boats. The poem Paper Boats is written by the famous Indian poet, storyteller, and dramatist Sri Rabindranath Tagore. He has won the Nobel Prize in Literature in the year 1930. We'll start with the poem. Poem lines are like this. Day by day I float my paper boats one by one down the running stream. In big black letters I write my name on them and the name of the village where I live. I hope that someone in some strange land will find them and know who I am. I load my little boats with sugar flowers from our garden and hope that these blooms of the dawn will be carried safely to land in the night. Meaning of these lines are: the poem is about an innocent child and her dreams. The child plays down by the side of a stream. She makes paper boats daily and floats them down the running stream. She writes her name in big black letters on them. She also writes the name of the village where she lived. She hopes that someone in some strange land will find them and know who is she. Sometimes she also loads the boats with surely flowers. We can also call it as Parijata flowers from their garden. The shady flowers always bloom in the early morning when the sun is rising. She hopes that these blooms will be carried safely down the stream to some land in the night. We'll see next lines in the next video.